Hi guys, this is Clayton. Today we are going to have a disco that was Baby Wunawani for this sun. And it's really pretty crazy right now. And I'm in like trekking on mode right now. Oh my god, the sun is making me so jealous. Not gonna lie. Ouch. Oh my god, the Megaron Man, not him again. OMG! Wait, how do it track me, bro? How did it track my... Oh my god! Oh my god! My game is so glitch! No more money, baby, no one. I check. I have to diamond trap you. This party will stop until 70, until like 100 million. Why is this so loud here? Come on, just pay money. Oh, frick, not this What the freak is this? Oh my god, they're so loud, bro. Wait, oh my god, If you guys set it to 20, it will be very loud. I cannot, it's too loud. Idea to play Baby No Money. Wait, Andy just joined me. Yay! Guys, sorry if this sounds too loud, but I'm going to teleport. I'm so sorry, guys, but I just said it. Ow! The Megaron Man is chasing me! Help! Oh. Why is it so loud? Oh my Why is it so loud, bro? In my iPad so loud. Oh freak that. Why is it so loud? Help! Baby, no money. Baby, no money. This disco is so loud. If you guys set it to 25, it will be loud. I think we might do part 2 to this in 80 million wins. We're going to add this video 80 million wins because it's so loud. Oh, why is it so glitchy here? Why is it so loud here? Why is it so loud? Just wait, guys. I do not know why is it so loud, bro. To my screen, but I set it to max on accident, but try to play it again. Now I'll do it in stage 6. This is so loud. My game almost crashed. So yeah, that's why my nanny's asking me why is it so loud. Oh! Why is it? Okay, try to be... Nah, I'm not doing that. Why is it so loud? Oh my god, why is it so loud? We might do a part 2, guys. Oh my god, what is this one? Okay, run. Oh my goodness. Jump! Okay, guys. Goodbye for this. This is too crazy. So bye, guys.